Hi, my name is Brooke Lauser, student number 2409036. This is my video interview for my application for the St. Petersburg College nursing program. I'd like to start by thanking you for considering me for this program and giving me the opportunity to tell you more about myself. What inspires me to become a nurse comes from my hospital stays and health issues in my younger age. When I was 15, I was rushed to the hospital due to my arms swelling up and losing blood circulation. I was immediately admitted upon entry, and the test had begun to evaluate what was happening. This is when I was diagnosed with venous thoracic outlet syndrome. Nervous, scared, and panicked, I had undergone surgery to remove a blood clot, began blood thinners, and a month later had another surgery to get my upper rib removed. Throughout this process, it became apparent I was allergic to many common medications, such as regular anesthesia, morphine, and oxycodone. I had also had a major adverse reaction to intravenous Benadryl. It was the calming, caring, motivating, and devoted nurses I had throughout this experience who advocated for me, pushed me every day, and were there to support my family and I through whatever we needed, both physically and mentally, that got me through this time in my life. Nurses truly are the backbone of hospitals and healthcare and play such a crucial role. The experience that I had as a patient has driven me and made me aspire to be exactly like the nurses that helped me get through my situation. There is no doubt that admissions for nursing school are very competitive. I believe I have many qualities that make me a great candidate and stand out from others. I am a hard worker, a quick learner, and both compassionate and passionate. From a young age, I have always had a desire for helping others. Following high school, I went to esthetician school and received my esthetician license, as helping others and finding a root cause to acne was something I was very passionate in. My desire for helping people did not stop there, which is when I decided to further my education at SPC with an end goal in mind of attending nursing school in my future. Throughout my education, I have worked in the service industry as a bartender, which has provided me with the necessary people skills and ability to work in fast-paced and stressful environments, which would help me to excel in this career. In addition, I have a background in competitive dance for 10 plus years where I learned to work as a soloist and in groups, making me able to perform alone or work as a team player, both in which helped me develop and build confidence. Lastly, as a licensed esthetician, I had worked alongside a board-certified nurse practitioner at a medical spa, where I assisted with a variety of non-surgical aesthetic medical procedures. My responsibilities included preparing and maintaining a sterile field for procedures, setting up and cleaning medical equipment, prepping patients before treatments, monitoring patient comfort and safety during treatments, educating patients on pre- and post-treatment care, charting using an electronic medical record system, and observing clinical protocols under direct supervision of the nurse practitioner. With the rigorous demands and the 40 hours per week needed to succeed within this program, lifestyle changes are needed to be able to make this happen. I am blessed to be in a current situation where I have an amazing support system, both mentally and financially. I am able to live at home during this time with my parents, not having to stress over living expenses. Additionally, I've been able to set aside money in which I can support myself during this time and be able to cut back on my work hours per week, allowing me to better focus on my studies and have those 40 hours a week available to succeed as I am expected to. I want to thank you again for giving me this opportunity and considering me for this program. Thank you and have a great rest of your day.